Today I'm comparing the Withings Body Scan and the newer Body Scan 2 to see which smart scale actually wins. The original Body Scan already set a high bar. You get detailed body composition tracking, segmental muscle and fat analysis, and even ECG readings right from your bathroom floor. It's accurate, reliable, and integrates nicely with the Withings app. Now the Body Scan 2 steps in with a few upgrades. From what I've tested, the big improvements are faster readings, a slightly redesigned handle for better grip during nerve and vascular checks, and improved app insights that are easier to read at a glance. But here's the thing. Day to day, the differences are pretty subtle. If you already own the Body Scan, upgrading doesn't feel essential. So which wins? Honestly, the Body Scan 2 is better, but just barely. For most people, the original Body Scan is still the smarter buy. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick for your home setup.